This is a tutorial for your arrow to butterfly, so in order to do this move you already need to have a side climb to at least get halfway up the pole, and also your arrow, so you should be comfortable with those moves. So if you're not, just go back and have a look at those videos, correct your technique, and then move on to this, okay? So let's just talk about what that looks like and how we get into it. So we're going to go from a side climb, just one side climb up, so there, pull, hand, inside leg goes up to hook, and then from there hands come down, outside hand comes beneath the top leg, bring the bottom leg behind the pole to hook. Then from there I want to definitely make sure there's a connection between the top of the thigh and the pole. So once I've found that, I can start to lower the bottom hand down to push the hips forward to find this arrow position. So from there, this hand that's free wants to come underneath the top leg into a true grip, just like this. I lower down slightly to start turning my chest towards the pole, and then I release the bottom leg, the one that's behind the pole, to behind my body now. So turn chest to face towards the pole and off. And then to get out, you just go back the way it came to there and pull. So that's your arrow to butterfly. Gorgeous little combination on spin as well, so try both ways and try both sides.